Hi friends, before we begin, Ollie likes to take one slow breath to get ready for story time. This story is completely commercial free, so you guys can relax and enjoy every page. Today's story title is Where There Is Love, a story in African Proverbs. I love it. I love when the whole family gathers at Nana's house. Today, the house smells sweet, like cinnamon and summer peaches. There's always lots to do. Ready to help? Nana asks. Many hands make light work. Before we cook, Nana says, hand washes each other. Nana's heart is kind. Even when I mess up, she says. Don't worry. She who does not know can know from learning. Today at Nana's house, I learned that patience is the key that solves all problems. And that happiness is as good as food. That hurry has no benefits. And that a single hand does not lift a calabash to the head. Did you know that the eye tastes before the mouth does? And that good music goes with good food? At Nana's house, I understand that a person should take as their companion someone older than themselves. That having a good discussion is like having riches, because Nana's words and stories are more precious than gold. At Nana's house, I see that where there is love, there is no darkness. And I'll always remember that love never loses its way home. African proverbs are traditional sayings that express a simple truth or a piece of advice. Thousands of proverbs come from all over the African continent, and for generations, these sayings have been passed down from elders to young children. They can be written down or passed along by word of mouth. These proverbs are meant to communicate important life lessons through quotes that can be remembered easily. Below, you will find the proverbs that was used in the story, and wherever possible, we've included the country in which the saying originates and the native language translation. Oh, Ollie. Nigeria. Home is where life is found in all its fullness. Tanzania. Many hands make light work. South Africa. Hands wash each other. Ghana. One who does not know can know from learning. Sudan. Patience is the key that solves all problems. Kenya. Happiness is as good as food. Kenya. Hurry, hurry has no benefits. Nigeria. A single hand does not lift a calabash to the head. Sierra Leone. The eye tastes before the mouth. Mali. Good music goes with good food. Senegal, the Gambia. A person should take as their companion someone older than themselves. Kenya. Having a good discussion is like having riches. Burundi. Where there is love, there is no darkness. Ghana. Love never loses its way home. Thank you for spending this calm story time with Ollie and me. Everything here is completely commercial free, so you can just relax and listen. We're building something special together, one story at a time. See you in the next story. Bye for now.